Cardos sucks so much, dude.
What does?
Cardos.
Yeah, I know. They suck a lot of dick, man.
Cardo, sponsor us.
Cardo sponsor. Cardo, please.
Welcome to the hood, gang.
Welcome to the hood. As you can see, it's the richest county in Kentucky. But trust, this is our block. We call it the new O block.
What's up, gangsters and ladies alike? Hello. Today, we're talking about why you look stupid when you ride, okay? And I'm not talking the way that you look because you always look stupid. I'm talking about the things that you could change, okay? Like this, first of all. Look at my feet, pervert. How about that? Some of you people are out here riding like this all the time.
Oh God, Jesus Christ, that's embarrassing. Oh God. The first thing you do when you get on a bike is you have to fake it till you make it. Take those corners as hard as you can.
That is not true. That's not
Hit
what I meant at
wheelies.
all. Do not do that.
You rev it up to 6K. And then you drop the clutch. And then you rev it up to 8K. And you drop the clutch again.
If you aren't trying to run from the cops within your first week of owning a 300, you are not a good rider. Now, some of you people are going to be out there saying, oh my God, you guys are giving such bad advice, you're going to get people killed. Listen, if you die on a motorcycle, it's your fault, okay? You weren't about that life. You weren't about that life. So
yeah.
If you were about that life, you would have lived.
Also, you know, you have to break a few eggs to make an omelet, okay? A few of you guys gotta die to look swaggy as Alright?
Thank you. There's a cop up there.
Right.
And also, those guys are amazing. I love those guys.
I love those guys. We love them.
I love that
give
guy.
Give them kisses if I could stop and give them kisses. The cop's gonna pull me over because I don't have a plate, and I'm gonna be like, listen.
You don't have a plate?
No.
What
I didn't put it on.
Oh, okay. Hello, Ossifer. Next thing, if you see a cop, act natural.
Act natural. Okay, when this cop pulls me over for not having a plate, I'm going to run. And, you know, that's just something that cops usually want to do. You know, they want to touch your body. Don't let them. Say, I do not consent, and run away. There's no legal repercussions
for legal
that.
reasons, that is not true, and don't listen to it.
Okay.
Number two.
Number two!
I need to look at my notes.
Oh, God. He's looking.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Your riding posture. Some of you people are out here, and you're on a sick-ass bike.
Get over so I can look at you.
Yeah, you're looking at you're on a sick-ass bike. You're on something cool like this S1000. Right? Don't look into it. And you're riding like this, which is, although incredibly sensual and sexy, it is not swaggy. And there is a difference. Now, sometimes you're gonna want to be looking a little bit sensual and sexy for the employees at Suntan City or whatever. You know.
Yeah, you hit one of these.
And that's fine.
For those guys.
So like as we're passing here, I might do one of those. You know. I might do a little bit of that.
Yeah.
But as soon as we're past, I'm back to fucking thug mode.
Oh,
like
shit.
This.
Another thing, guys, when you're riding, if you don't want to have your feet doing duck shit, just don't put your feet up. It's a hack. Alright? Just keep them down on the ground skating. You know? Like this.
Next thing, we're going to demo a U-turn. Because the third reason you look stupid on a bike is because you can't do a U-turn. So you're going to be approaching a parking lot like this, and you're going to come to a full stop facing the curb, right? Because you're scared. Next, you're going to do one of those, and then then you're going to look like, oh, something went wrong. What the fuck was that?
Okay. Yep.
Not my fault, right?
Yep.
Then you're gonna slow look, and then you're gonna turn. You try.
All right, my turn.
Make sure. Look! You have to look. Hey, watch out, bro! Watch out.
Okay.
Wait, you gotta. You're turning left.
Okay.
Left.
Turning left.
There you go. And do the turn part. Fuck. Hey, that was pretty good. That's pretty good. How long have you been riding for? Oh my God.
About a year. What? There's something on my... Oh, God. Guys, don't ever order shoes from eBay.
What happens
Jesus
if you order
Christ.
shoes from eBay?
Check them out, dude.
Oh my God. Hold on. Stay there, dude. I got you. I will help you.
You got tape or something?
Oh God, fuck. Rule number 4. You don't need that.
God damn it, dude. Fuck.
Shit. Okay.
Well, what are you gonna do
Here,
about
can I have
this?
those?
You want it?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it with me.
All right, guys. Rule number 5: always have something to throw at someone in case they, pull out in front of you. Okay, that's how you do a U-turn, guys.
That's how you do a U-turn. Woo! Gotta get some air in this bike. She is really warm.
Yeah.
Forest, I can see.
Are you singing?
No.
Are you lying?
No. All right, dude. What's number 5 of your stupid ass, fucking dumbass, stupid ass?
Well, it
list?
was gonna be choose better shoes, believe it or not. And I was gonna say
agree.
it's because you guys are out here riding in Crocs and shit, and you're like, oh, it's okay, they're in sport mode. You know who else was in sport mode? Hitler. But y'all give him so much shit, y'all act like he's the worst guy ever. Either go barefoot or be a man, and also don't wear eBay shoes.
I vote you guys go barefoot.
Why?
What? It's
Why?
probably better for grip.
Why would it? It's definitely not better for grip. Hey, listen, YouTube viewers at home or elsewhere, oh, another cop. Holy shit, there's so many cops out. Here's the point, okay? You're gonna hear a lot of advice, and most of it's gonna be wrong, especially if it comes from us. And it's very important that you listen to us anyway.
Yes.
Anyway, look. Here are the 5 main points. I'm gonna fucking conclude it for you, okay? Keep your feet in. That's point number 1. Point number 5, take your feet out. Point number 4, do a U-turn. Number 3. What was number 3?
What was number 3?
Oh, do a little bit of this every once in a while.
Yeah. Throw your ass out a little bit.
Number 2, what was number 2?
There is no legal repercussions for running from an officer of the law. Put that up on the screen, Caden.
I can't
Put that up on the screen. God damn it, Caden. Put it up on the screen.
Okay, whatever.
Put it up.
I think that might come
We
back
are
to bite us.
liable if that comes back to bite
No,
you.
we're not liable. But all things come to a point, and that point is remain swaggy at all times.
My God, dude, look at that sick ass slick Porsche behind you. Holy fucking shit.
That's a fucking Volkswagen Bug with an old lady.
It's a Porsche.
Ladies and crackheads, listen. There's another video that we made the other day where we talk about the new fairings we put on these bad boys. Oh God. And it's very important that you go watch that video because
guys.
it didn't get enough views. Oh,
It didn't get
honorable
enough.
mention, Benjamin Netanyahu. Our channel is yours if we get 1 billion views in the next month.